Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix devices can't find your hotspot issue on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, click on connections. Now here in connections, click on mobile hotspot and tethering, and then click on mobile hotspot. Now here tap on band and then click on advanced. Now here it will show more hotspot settings, and here you will see a hidden network button. So when this button is turned on, your mobile hotspot name won't appear in the list of available Wi-Fi networks. So just simply turn off this button and then click on save to fix your issue. So that's how you can fix devices can't find your hotspot issue on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.